Oh, great. Are you still unpacking?
And I was quite happy because the lady at the end of the term, she gave us a CD with her favorite guitar music chosen based because it's copyright protected. So you don't have to buy, but you just have to stay quiet. But she picked up like her choices because some songs are like, you know, not great, but some are really nice. Like, I like them.
What are they doing?
Hey, come on, son. Little drummer boy, come here. Son of little drummer boy.
Wait, you can have these.
No, that's good. Okay.
Come on, have Gabby. Wait, your instrument thing that you can have tangerine.
Hey, come in here, mister.
Let's see if I can do it. Please. Wait. First, you all have to do that. Okay? We're going to do a little instrument thing.
You are.
Yeah. That's one.